Tiki Fire here at my local. They just opened. And everybody knows how much I love Tiki Fire and how amazing it was to me last year. So, 100 bucks in, dime denom, minimum bet 25, just $2.50 a spin. Thought it was gonna give me a first spin bonus. Come on, pizzas. Oh. How did you do? What? I didn't see it. 100?
I got Buffalo double there.
Oh, come on, please! Oh! Oh my god. I'll be back, guys. That was my next spin, guys. Everett came over to talk to me. That was $27.50. Come on, Tiki Fire. Do not let me down. Otherwise, I'll have to come up with a new favorite for 2020. All right, I'll come back. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I thought that was bigger than it was going to be. I'll be back. Alright, so I guess the key is to shut my phone off. Come on, Peter. I got high hopes. I got high hopes. Oh! Almost. Didn't line up. Come on, one hold in. Oh, man. Oh, that didn't line up. Did you see all that? I thought that was going to be huge. It didn't line up, guys. Oh. That was sad. I'll come back. All right, let's hope this one is better than the last. I hope everything lines up. One hold and spin. I still haven't gotten a hold and spin yet. Come on, pizzas. Big numbers. Man, those multipliers hurt when they don't line up. That was another lousy bonus, guys. Alright, maybe a few spins later I just got the hold and spin, so I can happily say I got both bonuses. I can only land something really good. Any one of those progresses. Any one of them. Tiki Fire, you are tough today. Well, it brought me back to exactly even. All right, got it again. Come on, let's get some quadruple digits there. Was it? A little better than the last one. All right, let's try some lightning link. High stakes, $100 in. Dime Denom, $250 a spin. Come on. Get one more of those gold suitcases. my God. I just got the major. Oh my God, as you can tell guys, I was quiet because I put $100 in and I didn't get anything. Then I put a $500 ticket and I just got the freaking bonus and $12.50. And I didn't say anything because I was kind of sad. And sour grapes, that is freaking beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that was beautiful, guys. Oh my God, that just came out of nowhere. And something that I rarely do, like maybe 1% of the time, is put a big ticket in. I never do that because I have no self-control. Oh my God, that was beautiful. That was amazing, guys. Reset the major back to 500. That was a $633 bonus on 250. 250 a spin on Dime Denom. I'm just going to play this down to 1100 and walk away very happy. One more spin left. Oh, come on. Oh, that would have been amazing.